We, the elected leadership of Palau, on behalf of all the people of Palau, join together on this first day of October 1994 to affirm the regaining of our sovereignty and independence. We are proud to be an independent nation in free association with the United States of America. We will work to promote social advancement within Palau and global peace throughout the world. We commit to preserve and protect our precious and pristine environment as a legacy for future generations of Palauans and as a unique treasure for the planet Earth. We look back to our cultural heritage for guidance and wisdom and forward with confidence in our abilities and faith in divine providence.